Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. Today I will demonstrate adding a new work center. A work center consists of one or more people and or machines that can be considered as one unit for the purposes of production scheduling. Begin by navigating to Logistics, choosing Work Center, and selecting Work Center from the drop-down menu. Start by clicking on the Add button to enter a new work center. Enter a work center ID, which can be alphanumeric and up to 5 spaces wide. Give the work center a description. If the work center is a machine and it has a serial number, then enter it into this field. The infinite checkbox is usually left unchecked. However, if the work center should be treated as having an unlimited capacity, then it should be checked. For example, an area for drying painted items. The efficiency of a work center can be set between 1 and 999%. If the work center meets the route standards, then it is said to operate at 100% efficiency. The date indicates when the work center enters into production and will be included in capacity planning as of that date. Overhead can be applied by entering a rate per hour in this field. The next step is to enter the time the work center starts each day, using military time and the hours per day it is working. In this case, it starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 4 p.m. Finally, if there are production alternates that can be used, I can list up to 10 of them, separated by either commas or spaces in order of preference. Their use is controlled by the work orders. Save the record. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.